Hello, I am the uppercase letter J, and today you're going to practice how to write me. But before, let's see. I am J for jellyfish. Great. Now, let's go write some J. Now you go to the dot and you trace down. Great. And now you go back to the top and you draw a small line. Good. This is your letter J. Next one. Down, back to the top, small line. Good. Down, back to the top, small line. Good. Down, back to the top, small line. Good. Down, back to the top. Great. Down and back to the top and small line. Great. This is how you trace your letter J. So trace me more letter J. Okay, goodbye.